Before we get into Claude Cowork and the actual skills you can be doing, let's talk about where you should begin. And it's with your global instructions and your file setup, which sounds super boring, but this is key. If you do this right, everything else will take care of itself. So let me share my screen and let's start with the global instructions. So I'm in Claude Cowork right now. And if you're not familiar with it, if you look up here in the top middle section, you see how you have chat, like any LLM like Gemini or ChatGPT. And then if you go to Cowork, this is the one that can access your actual folders and files on your computer and access your browser within Chrome. So let's talk about where you begin. So you're going to go down here to settings, and then you're going to go into the actual Cowork section. And this is key. These are your global instructions. This is page 1 of the operating manual on how Cowork will work with you. So these instructions apply to all sessions, and you can make preferences and callouts in it. And so this is one where I used Claude to help orchestrate this. So I'll just talk about the structure that I did. First is okay, global instructions. Who are you working for? I talk about myself, I talk about the 2 brands, and I talk about my content marketing initiative and how they're connective. I talk about how I think, the frameworks, the principles that I like. Also, I looked at past content and I had it write up my voice and communication style. That way it aligns with how I communicate. And then I gave it business context. I started with the agency, talked about the services that we do, the clients we do, talked about Neat, about our product, the team, everything that's on there. And I talked about output preferences as far as how to message me, how to communicate. This way it has the 30,000 foot view on how we should work together.